Hi, Trina! Miss Trina is Evan host. So, ayan, bestie, what made you decide na bakit ka nag-join dito sa business? And nakikita mo ba yung self mo doing this business for the next 5 to 10 years?
Thank you so much for your question. It all started with me just wanting to see if kaya ko mag-fast. Parang pag binawasan mo talaga yung kinakain mo, it gives your gut a nice reset also. I have ulcer and I also have GERD. So parang pag ulcer, every 2 hours kailangan ko kumain.
Yes.
Tapos pag GERD naman, every 2 hours kumakain ako. Pero kapag mali naman yung kinain ko, parang masama na yung pakiramdam ko. So parang I'm stuck in the middle na parang di ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. And I've been stuck at 144 pounds. Naglaga na po. Lalo na nung nanganak ako, hindi ko na siya ma-shed. Anong masama pag i-try ko, diba? So I tried just to support a friend. And then, wala pang 5 days, parang na-feel ko na yung effect sa akin. And then I said, oy, para maganda to kasi I know a lot of people who will benefit. Parang sabi ko, marami yung kilala. And my mom also has diabetes. So, ayaw niya mag-try kung unless makita niya na nag-work sa akin. So, parang gusto ko munang ipakita sa kanya na nag-work. And then, at the same time, people keep seeing the changes in my body, the changes na parang pumayat ka or parang medyo glowing ka, ganyan. So, dun na, pinasok ko na to. Sabi ko, parang nice rin to share. Nakita ko yung potential and the business is really on a mission to reshape how people view health, also view eating, diba? Parang kaya ako lagi sinasabi rin na bonus na yung weight loss because there are a lot of other intangible benefits like yung brain fog mo, bloatedness mo, ang ganda na ng hulma ng katawan mo. Plus, I see that a lot of people are benefiting. Plus, I also love the community with the support.
Community.
Like for me, talaga, lakasan lang ng loob and consistency.
Consistency.
Oo. Your second question, do I see myself? In how many years? Parang, I feel that kung ganito yung landscape ng Philippines, or the world actually, then this business will not go bankrupt.
No. Hindi mo, ang laki ng Thailand.
Ang laki talaga. And parang the opportunity is still there. Parang sa Pilipinas pa lang alone, how many people are there, right? And then may business side pa.
Ang bongga ng business ha.
Yeah.
Oo.
Parang you will help people and then meron nang babalik sa'yo tenfold pa. Oo, we're not begging. We just want... Yes. Kasi nakita nila yung result eh.
Nakakatawa. Ang laki ng market. Ang
Yeah.
laki ng opportunity. Ang laki ng pwedeng maibigay, maitulong sa tao, sa atin, sa lahat. Parang makikita mo dito talaga yung purpose mo.
Yes. Oh, yun nga. Purpose talaga. Impact first and then the profit comes there. Which is okay lang naman kasi parang we're having fun while doing it.
Yes.
Yun. So, hopefully we get to reach more people in the Philippines and worldwide.